Are you using Microsoft 365 and Calendly? Or are you looking for a way for customers to book meetings in your calendar based on your availability? If so, then Microsoft Bookings is for you. Jump into your web browser, then go to bookings.office.com and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. From your personal booking page, click on Go to My Booking Page. Then click on the plus icon to create a new meeting type. Give it a name. Let's just call this one Meeting with Brian. Add a description and location. The default is Teams meeting. Choose a duration, then a visibility setting. Public means anyone can find your booking page on the web and make this appointment. Private means only people you send a direct link to can book this appointment. You can schedule this using your regular work hours or custom hours. These are synced from your Outlook calendar. And further down, there are additional options for buffer time, lead times, reminders, and email follow-ups. Once you're finished, hit save at the top. Now you'll see that new meeting option has been created. Click on the share and then copy link. There's also an option to add the bookings link to your email signature automatically, which is pretty handy. Send the link out or publish the link to your website. This is the booking page with your picture. If they're on Microsoft 365 as well, they can choose the first option and bookings will automatically recognize their Microsoft 365 profile. Otherwise, they can choose guest. At the bookings page, they can choose the meeting type, and that opens a calendar with a list of available time slots. They'll be able to see when you're available and book a meeting in your calendar based on your availability. All they need to do is find a time slot, put their name and email in, then click book. If they chose Microsoft 365, it's going to automatically fill in their details. If they chose guest, there's an email validation step to verify they're a real person, and that's going to schedule that meeting straight into your calendar. They'll receive a calendar meeting via email as well. At MODEX, we use this to allow customers to book remote support sessions with our team, taking away the back and forth headache of trying to catch each other at the right time.